Hello my dear students and my dear friends, how are you all? I hope so that you all are good. As you know that I am Puneet Dutt and my channel is basically based on posting of motivational videos and as well as posting of videos on some important topics and facts in relation with history, civics of India and of the world. Dear students and dear friends, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much all my well-wishers that you all are giving me full support. Stay blessed everyone. Dear students and dear friends, today I am here with a particular topic, with very important topic you can say, and the topic is Satyagraha. Yes, here in this video I will try my best to make things easier for you once again. Now, dear students and dear friends, if we are talking about Satyagraha, so we should also talk about Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, Mahatma Gandhi ji, he was practicing law from 1893 to 1914 in South Africa. When he was in South Africa, during his journey from Durban to Pretoria, he was forcefully thrown out of the railway compartment, first class railway compartment, yes. And when he inquired about, then what happened? He came to know about the apartheid system and the racial discrimination, you can say, prevailing in South Africa that time. In other words, we can say white domination was there and the people, those who were not white, were suffering a lot and they were facing the racial discrimination in South Africa. And many Indians also, they were suffering a lot in South Africa because of this apartheid system. Gandhi ji decided to do something good for the people. He went on civil disobedience movement. He decided to go against the South African government. He asked the people and he also formed Natal Indian Congress there in South Africa only. And during his struggle in South Africa, he evolved the idea of Satyagraha. Now, Satyagraha, yes. Satyagraha means, Satya means truth. Okay, Satya means truth, Agraha means insistence. Agraha means insistence, or you can say holding on to truth. Gandhiji said, if the cause is true, we can raise our voice against the injustice, for the justice, but in a peaceful manner, following the path of truth, following the path of non-violence. Ahimsa, yes. Gandhiji asked the people to do Satyagraha in South Africa and he got success also. He was successful in getting justice for the people in South Africa, and with that idea he returned to India in 1915. And he came to know about the people in India, they were suffering a lot. And Gandhiji decided to launch Satyagraha in India also. Here I am giving you a shortcut and please do remember this, it will help you a lot. Shortcut is, Gandhiji launched Satyagraha in Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad. CKA. Yes, CKA. Please do remember this. Champaran in Bihar, 1917. Now, actually, what was happening in Bihar, what was happening in, basically we are talking about Champaran, what was happening in Champaran, the plantation worker, they were suffering a lot, the indigo plantation worker, they were suffering a lot because due to the policies of the British, they were forced, the plantation workers, they were forced to work according to the Tin Kathia system, the system of 3/20th, according to which they were getting the price of their produce, which was fixed by the British planters only. Gandhiji asked the plantation workers to go against the British rule, to go against this system, and people, they went on hunger strike, they went on satyagrah, they did satyagrah, and Gandhiji got success also in that. Now the next was, as I told you, Kheda in Gujarat in 1918. Yes. Now Gandhiji, he saw that the peasants, they were suffering a lot because they were not able to pay the land revenue. Their condition was not so good. They were not in condition to pay the land revenue, and British, they were not doing anything. Instead, they were forcing them to pay the taxes. Gandhiji asked the peasants, asked the people to go against the British rule and asked them to do satyagrah. And he got success also in that. Next was the Ahmedabad Satyagrah, Ahmedabad in Gujarat in 1918. And what was happening in Ahmedabad? Please listen to me carefully. In Ahmedabad, the mill owners, they were doing exploitation and were not giving the proper wages, the minimum wages to the mill workers, and the mill workers, they were suffering a lot. Again, Gandhiji asked them to do satyagrah, to go against the British rule, following the path of truth, following the path of non-violence. The people, the workers, they went on hunger strike and they got success in that to some extent. So this is the satyagrah and the path of truth, the path of non-violence. I think so you all have understood. Yes, definitely I'll come back again with more videos, with more information for you. God bless you all. Stay blessed everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.